I'm Roshan, a third year BTech AIDS student from PSG Institute of Technology and Applied Research, Coimbatore. First of all, I would like to thank the Figr team for providing me with this wonderful opportunity to showcase my talent for the data science intern position. I've been given a task to create a simple code assistant using any open source LLM. I've done my best and I would like to showcase this to you. I thank you for your valuable time you provide to watch this video. So this is the source code of my application. I've used Flask for the development server and I'm using Ollama framework to run the model locally in my laptop's CPU. So using trial and error basis, I've tried out these 4 different models and I found Mistral 7B to be the most accurate one. So I'm using this one for the current demo. So let's go into the UI. So this is the UI of the AI code assistant. Let's clear the previous chat memory to prevent hallucinations. Yeah. So let's ask some, for example, yeah. Can you provide a simple code for bubble sort? So the model is generating the response. I've used LangChain's conversational memory in addition to the chat history to help model to remember what it has been talking with the user. So it uses input-output format to store the conversation. And for the chat history, I've used SQLite 3 to create 3 different tables to store the chat history uniquely with session IDs and chat ID as well as the role. Roles are of 2 types, AI assistant and the user. So the model has generated the response. I've kept test code and copy code button. So given time, I can enhance this by avoiding these extra gaps in the code. This is because the model generates the response as a total text. So I've given a prompt for the model to convert it to give the response in raw text, and I've used Pandoc of a tool that converts raw text into HTML Markdown. So that's the reason there's some ambiguity here. Given time, I could optimize this and develop a good UI. So this test code button actually runs the code, generated code snippet in the Python interpreter of my laptop temporarily. So this is not simulating the run, it is actually truly running it in the server. When we deploy it, it will run in the server. So yeah. So I have given a retry button if in case the model fails as per the requirement. So an additional feature I've given is users can upload any .py file. The model will find errors in it, and users can also ask the model to modify the code according to their functionality. Yeah, so this is the retried version. So here I'm creating a new chat and I'll upload some sample Python code. Yeah. Yeah. So here the content of the .py file has been converted to code snippet and displayed here. So this important information tab is for the reason. So here we can see in the prompt template here I have given an extra information that mark critical information with important prefix so that users can easily see them. So I will filter out the content that the model gives under this category and display it here for users' easy understanding. Yeah, so here we can see that the model has explained what the code does, explanation and potential errors and improvements and suggestions for better practices. I've also given a retry button as explained earlier. So yeah. So I'll just give this sample prompt that you have mentioned in the PDF. Also, I have done some research that the model is also able to solve problems in, for example, lead code. So the model is able to answer these questions because it is quite a big model, 8 billion parameters. For example, I'll give this question further. Yeah, so here we can see that the model has generated the code to find the highest total transaction amount in the CSV. So as I said, there is some ambiguity in this code snippet. This is because of the pandoc conversion of raw text into HTML format. Uh, the comments which are produced with the start of hash is being considered as a code and being omitted. So that's the ambiguity, and given time, I can optimize this and provide a good UI. So yeah, so let's give this option. Yeah, so we can see that the model has solved the problem and also given explanation for it. Yeah, once again, finally, I would like to thank the Figr team for giving me this opportunity to showcase my talent. I would be really enthusiastic to join the team and make a significant contribution to the AI field. I've done this out of mere passion and not just a career path. AI technologies fascinate me, and that's the reason I've joined this course, and I've done various projects in it. And this is just out of passion, and I would like to start my career this team. Hoping to get a positive response from you. Once again, thank you.